Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play LittleBigPlanet online. To enjoy online play, you will connect to a community-run server, as the official servers are no longer available. This process is straightforward, thanks to a dedicated fan project. Your initial step is to acquire a small patcher application. This tool will modify your game files, enabling it to communicate with the custom server. It's a quick and simple download, setting the foundation for your online adventures. Once you have the patcher, simply launch it. The application will prompt you to locate your LittleBigPlanet game's executable file. Navigate to your game installation directory and select the correct file. After selection, click the Apply Patch button. This process is very fast, typically taking less than 30 seconds. The patch modifies your game to redirect its online connection to the community server rather than the original, now offline servers. With the patch successfully applied, you can now launch your LittleBigPlanet game as usual. Once the game loads, head straight to the community or online section from the main menu. You will notice that your game now connects seamlessly to the custom server. There are no additional settings or configurations required on your part. The patch handles everything automatically. You are now ready to explore a vibrant online world. Now that you are connected, the possibilities are vast. You can dive into an enormous library of user-generated levels, offering countless hours of gameplay. Feel free to create your own imaginative levels and share them with the global community. Engage in online multiplayer with friends or meet new players from around the world. The LittleBigPlanet online experience, powered by the community, brings back all the fun and creativity you remember.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.